Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you've been watching my series over on Joe and Zach Survival, I've been building a crib for my next grandchild, Zachary and Samantha, are going to have coming up at the end of September. And if you guys watched maybe 4 years ago, I built the first crib for my first grandchild, Xander, Jason and Emily's firstborn, and now they have Bridget, who's using that crib also. But when I build them, I like to add some curves and stuff in here, and most of this stuff I can do with just a jigsaw and my sanders. But on this particular crib that I'm building, it came up that there's a couple of curved pieces I have to do that the wood is going to be so thick that it would have been pretty rough to do with the jigsaw. So yesterday I went on Marketplace and I was looking for a bandsaw, and I found this one right here. There was actually several of these for sale. Most of them were around the $100, $140. I saw one for $160. And then I kind of just put it down and I thought, well, maybe I can do it with the jigsaw. And then a little while later I scrolled through some more and I found this one here. They wanted $50 for it. It's a 12-inch bandsaw. And it came with 7 unused blades. So I immediately messaged them. It was still for sale. It had been posted for 10 hours. This morning I went down and picked it up, and now I can continue with the crib. I was unsure at first because, I mean, it said it works fine, but that's all it said. And then when I picked it up, it was a little over an hour drive to go get it. And when the lady said it worked fine in the ad, but then the guy said he'd never used it. It was a friend of theirs, and he had moved out of state and didn't need it. And it was like, okay, likely story, but everything seems to work really good. It also had this bed extension, or whatever you want to call this extension on it, which none of the other ones had. So I'm pretty happy so far. I have another bandsaw that I've had for quite a few years. It's smaller than this one. And that one right there has just been a piece of junk, constantly throwing the blades. I just can't seem to get that one to work right. I think it worked at first, and then very shortly after that it started failing. The other one also, when it was maxed, only had about 3.5 inches right here to fit lumber underneath, which this one has a half horsepower motor on it. The other one was much smaller, so it would bog down. But with this one here, you can get a full 7 inches, a little bit over 7 inches. So I mean, I can't see trying to run something that big through there, but at least you've got the option. I don't use a bandsaw all the time, but I think I'll use a bandsaw more now that I've got a decent one that works. So anyway, I'm pretty happy about that. Today's thrift store or marketplace find of the day. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.